Have you ever been intrigued by the culinary secrets of a lost civilization? Imagine the taste of a dish prepared in the kitchens of ancient Pompeii, passed down through the ages, and now coming alive in your own modern kitchen. Today, we're embarking on a gastronomical journey back in time, unlocking the flavors of an era gone by. We're resurrecting the rich, delectable delights that once graced the dinner tables of an effervescent city, nestled in the shadow of Mount Vesuvius. Brace yourself as we delve into the heart of antiquity, unearthing 10 mouth-watering, age-old Pompeian recipes, waiting to be savored and relished in our modern world. First on our culinary journey is a classic staple, the Pompeian bread. Start by mixing whole wheat flour, salt, and a touch of olive oil. Dissolve yeast in warm water, then combine it with the flour mixture. Knead this dough well, let it rise, and then bake it in a hot oven. The result? A crusty, hearty loaf, perfect for tearing and sharing. Next, we have the mortem, a flavorful cheese spread. Combine fresh herbs, garlic, salt, and vinegar in a mortar. Grind them together, then add pecorino cheese and olive oil. Continue grinding until it forms a smooth paste. Mortem makes a delightful companion to our freshly baked Pompeian bread. The third recipe is a simple yet satisfying lentil stew. Simmer lentils in water with a bay leaf until tender. Sauté onion, garlic, and celery, then add these to the lentils along with a splash of vinegar and a handful of fresh herbs. Let the flavors meld together to create a warming, nourishing dish. Moving on, we discover Apicius's chicken. Start by rubbing a whole chicken with a mixture of cumin, coriander, pepper, and liquamen, a fish sauce used in ancient Roman cooking. Roast the chicken until golden and juicy, a feast fit for a Pompeian noble. Our fifth dish is an interesting concoction known as patina of pears. Cook pears with honey and passum, a sweet raisin wine, then mash them into a smooth puree. Mix in some eggs, bake until set, and there you have it, a sweet and fruity custard-like dessert. Next, we explore the world of ancient seafood with a squid and olive stew. Clean and chop squid, then simmer it with olives, onions, and herbs in a red wine sauce. A true taste of the Mediterranean Sea. Our seventh recipe is the humble yet flavorful Roman egg dish. Beat eggs with a splash of milk, then pour into a hot pan with olive oil. Add a sprinkling of fresh herbs and flip when set. Simple yet delicious. Next, we have a refreshing minted cucumber salad. Slice cucumbers thinly, then toss them in a dressing of vinegar, honey, and finely chopped mint. A perfect balance of sweet, sour, and fresh flavors. The ninth recipe is a sweet treat, honeyed dates. Stuff dates with nuts, then drizzle them with honey. Bake until the honey caramelizes, creating a sweet, sticky treat that's hard to resist. Finally, we have a hearty barley soup. Cook barley in broth until tender, then add chopped vegetables and simmer until they are soft. Season with herbs and a touch of vinegar for a hearty, comforting dish. We have embarked on a gastronomic odyssey through the rich culinary tapestry of ancient Pompeii, ranging from the rustic allure of Pompeian bread to the sugary allure of honeyed dates. We've immersed ourselves in the ocean's bounty with a serving of squid stew and basked in the uncomplicated joy of a traditional Roman egg course. Our journey culminated in the warm embrace of a robust barley soup. These recipes, though thousands of years old, still convey a culinary narrative that transcends time. Their richness, their flavors, their unique character are as alive today they were in the past. These gastronomic treasures are not merely remnants of a bygone era, but a testament to the enduring appeal of food and ability to connect us with our history. So I encourage you, dear viewer, to not merely observe, but to experience this taste of history. Try these recipes yourself. Let the flavors dance on your tongue. Feel the connection it offers to the ancient world. Add a touch of antiquity to your next meal, and let the timeless appeal of these ancient recipes awaken your palate to a whole new world of flavors.